So, I'm gonna be real, I love this thing. I had the black version and I learned how to use it pretty quickly. I am personally somebody who is disabled. I only have my left hand to really work with when gaming, and I use a trackball mouse for my right hand for aiming and camera and things like that. And so when I started using this one, I noticed that there were so many different ways for me to use just these keypad buttons based on weight or how far down I press the key. So I have some keys that are doubled, which makes it easier for me to play like shooters, or for me to be able to play games that require you to maybe utilize two different, like whether it be a hold down or whether it be just a quick tap kind of thing. It gives me that capability to do that much easier and quicker. I have not had any issues with the joystick ever, even on my old one. My old one I had for 3 or 4 years before I bought this one. And I bought this one in a used condition, and it was essentially brand new. So definitely would recommend copping one of the used versions.
Huge fan of the Razer Tartarus. Obviously not a huge fan of dusting, but every one of these guys is reprogrammable. Throw a macro on it, do what you need to do, get your gaming heights. I love it. I love it instead of using a keyboard. And then coupled with a good gaming mouse, you're good to go.